Hi all, this is Dr. Van Thiel, and I wanted to take some time to answer some questions that I typically get from patients, and I thought this might be a good way of doing it as opposed to writing it out. The second question that I always seem to get from patients, whether it's over email, whether it's in clinic, is my knees are popping. What could potentially be causing this, and is this a problem? I think what I tell people is we often don't have a good reason why people's knees are popping. I would tell you that I've done lots of surgery on people who had popping knees, and their knees looked pretty good in the area that it was popping. We do think that there are probably two main causes of a popping knee. The first can be scar tissue or inflammation in the front part of the knee, that as the kneecap is moving through, that scar tissue or inflammation can cause a little bit of a tracking issue and cause some popping sensations in the knee. The second thing is what I like to refer to as the pothole phenomenon. I'm sure everyone's familiar with driving down a road, going through a pothole and feeling that bump in your car. The same thing can happen if that kneecap in the front part of the knee is either not tracking in the groove, or you may have a little pothole in your cartilage as well that can cause some of this popping. The good thing in either of these scenarios is popping does not necessarily mean that you're causing damage to anything, and it does not necessarily mean that there's a problem in your knee. I usually tell people if it's popping but it doesn't hurt you, if it doesn't bother you, I would ignore it because we know we're not causing more problem. What we do get concerned about is when there's popping that's associated with pain or popping that's associated with swelling. If either one of these cases start to happen, then I think it's probably worth getting evaluated to see if there's some things that we can do to treat this. Oftentimes it can be as simple as a medication, some special therapy, or a brace that can both alleviate the pain as well as eliminate some of the popping in your knee.